Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by syncing playlists from Spotify to Apple Music using a reliable transfer tool. Choose a transfer app that supports playlist matching and maintains track metadata. Grant the app access to both Spotify and Apple Music accounts with authorization steps. Review matched tracks and replace missing songs manually from the Apple Music catalog. Create a favorites playlist and add tracks you want offline listening for curated discovery. Enable iCloud Music Library to sync across devices instantly and keep changes consistent. Use Apple Music Radio and create station from song to recreate Spotify radio behavior. Feed the For You section by liking songs and adding them to playlists often. Enable crossfade and gapless playback under playback settings for seamless transitions between songs. Use smart playlists created on Mac to automate genre, play count, and date rules. Adjust EQ presets manually to match Spotify's signature sound profile closely on each device. Download albums for offline listening and prioritize downloads. First, export Spotify playlists using a transfer tool and verify track matches on Apple Music. Next, create matching playlist folders and rename folders to mimic your Spotify organization. Then, use the Shortcuts app to automate adding new liked songs to a specific Apple Music playlist. Also, enable iCloud Music Library and cellular downloads in settings to keep music available. Manually replace unmatched tracks by searching the Apple Music catalog and adding alternate versions. Finally, test playback features like crossfade, EQ, and radio stations to confirm parity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.